Okay, so I'm going to recreate a video I made a while back on how to create a wire in Fides. So here we go. You start with 3D modeling right here. You go to wire right here. And then I always use this line point to point right here. It seems to be the simplest. There's a lot of options here, but let's just start with line point to point. So I'm going to go from here. I'm going to hold the control button down and click here. Now up here you can adjust the length. So you can click in here and just hit escape to clear everything out. And now I'm going to just type in 50. Now I'm going to go back to line point to point. Click on this square here and then go down. I'm going to hold control again to give me a straight line. And then you see this little arrow right here. It's going to show what direction you're going to move the length of the line, which the length's up here. So I want to switch that so it moves this end on this side. So I'm going to go over here to reverse. And I'm going to click in the length. I'm going to hit escape again. I'm going to type in 100. Go back to line. Here, again, I'm hitting control over to here. Length, I'm going to go 100. Line, here, hold control here. My arrow's in the correct direction, so I'm going to just change this to 50. Now take note, the circles in the corners here, those are closed points, and then the squares are open. So line point to point here, control here. I'm going to go 50, and then I'm going to go line point to point here to here, and now I'm done. Although if I wanted to change something here, I can change this by clicking the line. See how it highlights? Hit reverse, and if I wanted to change this to 40, it goes to 40. I'm going to hit quit. It's going to ask me to name my wire. I'm just going to leave it wire 00. Hit OK. Now I got a 2D wire here. So now I'm going to go to extrusion, click the wire, and it's going to give me an option to name it. Again, I'm just going to name it the same name that it defaults to. The distance of the thickness, you can have it go this direction, or symmetrical. I'm just going to leave it, I'm going to change this to 20. You can change the color, the edge color. I'm going to leave everything the way it is. Hit OK. So that's how you do that. So now I got a 3D block. Now I can go back into here. It creates this auxiliary group here with a wire in it. I'm just going to delete it because I don't need it anymore. Actually, I'm going to just drag it in the trash can. Yes. Now if I want to change that wire again, I can go to redesign right here. Click on my block, and then it brings up my design history tree, which shows the extrusion. I'm going to hit the open button there. I'm going to hit master wire, and it's going to bring me back to that original wire I was making. So if I wanted to add a chamfer or something, or a radius, let's say, put a radius here, I'm going to click on that closed point, and I'm just going to click off into space, say 20. See how it puts that radius blend in there? Now I'm going to hit quit, and it's going to update my block. Hit complete, and I'm good to go. And that's how you make a wire. Enjoy. Send me some comments, questions, anything else you want to see in Fides. I'll be making more videos, so feel free to comment, like it, share it, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching.